Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
They keep on telling us we the next generation, we gotta do good, but we watch y'all and y'all not doing nothing with yourselves. So if you want us to be good, y'all need to set an example for us.
On Detroit.
Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie first. And I think that's good and wonderful amongst us, you know. Once I welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform, you know. Don't know. Enough respect. See? I'm going to observe the ZOZO argument we're going on in Jamaica of late. You don't see it, and how it started conflicting in both ways, both from the Prime Minister and from the opposition. Because watch ya. So the Prime Minister put a band-aid over them big open wound here. You know see it? They said the strategy of the previous ZOZO them coming like say, them are no curfew where we ever know before. You know, you can't have soldiers sit down right there so and man around there so and you know me I say them thing there no it don't make sense. It coming like it make the soldier them look ineffective. See? The strategy, like the rules of engagement where them get for either them ZOZO, yeah. It now work out, Rasta. You know, see, it just not effective. So when you put the soldier, I wanted to say, coming like you put the police and soldier them in a more precarious position than anything else. Because I see man sit down pan corner just line off and every man head in them phone and text and all them thing there. Them thing that don't work. You know, see it. What really work is when you apply some new strategy, some new tricks and tactics where people are familiar with, already established and thing like that. You know, see it. You know, see it. Ask for, I mean, come on. Where the imagination there, that's being used in the whole game. See, you can't just have the soldier them just, like so well then they might do something and nothing and done cause then at the day them come back out. You know, see no aggressive approach towards illegal gun recovery and them thing. The soldier just there they sit down, soldier and police just there they sit down and the gun them are the problem. You know, see it? Gun them too much and too much little loose man hand. You know, see it? Some of them gun they need for contain, some of them youth they need for, like me say, back in the time there was program when we remember when soldier come in at the place and then see certain wayward youth or troubled youth certain way. You know, see soldier and police through intelligence workings, get up them youth and carry them, go teach them a trade, teach them something up our camp. You know, see it. And me, I reason with the youth, we feel proud and strong, hopeful, say, him a go get something out at the end of this, not money or cash, but learn a trade because the rules set where it's like it's not interest for him complete the course and thing like that. You know, see it? So a strategy like them, they need for your company, the presence of the police and the soldier. You can't, that don't make no sense. You know, see it? As simple as simple suggestion like something that like them that were happened before. You know, see, you have to add something to it, Rasta. Where the strategy there? You know, see, where the specialists there, where the search specialists them there with the metal detector them when the soldier them carding off a certain area and them you have a lull with the rise and the steppings. You know, see, when man them there we search for some careless thing. And them little thing there. You see, you know? You know, it don't look like it at work, Rasta. It don't look like it at work. Police and soldier go through the community and just see some, I mean, nowadays they just pick up some youth, carry them to the police station, identify them, release them back home after 24 hours or after how long you know, keep them and things like that. Yet still, when things go on and crime go on in the community, you still don't know where we go find the man where do the crime and all them sort of something there. But now say they attempt them necessary, but it not work. You see, man have to up the game and step up the strategy now, Rasta. You don't see it. You can't just throw them, dash down them thing upon police and soldier them alone like that. Soldier just go there so go sit down police because what happened to the other authority body them in a society where concern where them things affect, particularly when they always bite down upon the PSOJ. What happened to them? What for them effort there? What them a do in order? What for them assistance towards the process? You know, see, because this thing here, you know, it beneficial to them a lot. You know, see, what for them effort there? What for them, you know, when they set up there for some youth or some people focus on something else other than crime and violence. You see, because you have some youth where just that them feel like say it charm them and I saw them go it at the easy road this and thing like that. You say very soon you know so them the soon get caught up in the on the wrong side of the now. You see, so we not to pay them no whole heap of mind. But you have whole heap of youth in the same group, company and thing like that. But them have a different, them have a different hope. Them have hopes and a hope say something happen where, you know, remove them from a space like that, from company like these. You know, see, with you know, them thing I always have to imagine, you know, if our leader them value like human resource, human effort, personal effort from human being and thing like that. Because it's like a wasted resource in terms of Jamaican thing. You know, see, somebody focus on trying to develop or invest in them youth and make them, and it's not like someone then investing in them youth there is any hindrance for progress from that, because the youth them, like me say, IT the world gone now. You see, computer the world there now. You see, and you cannot work for a boss in Japan from Jamaica. You cannot work for a boss in Africa from Jamaica, Rasta. It's just a laptop it take. It's just a tablet it take. Our government know them things, you know. A vast majority of the people in abroad, like England and America, I work from home. What's the same difference, Rasta? That's something where the whole lockdown process teach the world. Working from home is so well, and working from anywhere for anybody is like a possibility. I would say our people are what else we have now where we can I mean, there's even selling point. There's no scammer like our scammer. Because our scammer, them can't talk the language of the people and them are scam. Yet still them so successful. So I mean, them have the gift of the gap for sell. They will sell anything. They will sell snow to an Eskimo. So watch out. Make them people come in as sales. You see, Ivani down there, Ivani the only young lady so far we know, apart from Spice and Fair people and we do what them do to Futai the other day, yeah. Ivani the only person me know we could have did reach the original culprit. We just walk in and Instagram and kick down the door and do what she want do and come back out and everybody just stand up and watch her do what she do until she gone. Then them get back to work. You know see it? Nobody not look into that and say, yo, I could develop on what Ivani have. I could see what that girl like can do. You know see it? Prison, them throw the girl for 9 months for violate somebody's privacy. Social media privacy when I live nowhere near Jamaica, and the people them were PR for violate other people's privacy, were reporter for doing so, walk free, became witness. It no normal. It's like say our leader them get paid for keep us in a silence, in a oppression. You know see, me can't, it hard to look on it any other way, Rasta. Only for little resource and opportunity that the way the youth them could have did, become a part of. Me see all police at Jamaica now in a recent time. A march, me a search for a proper video clip for share, but you have to wonder. Me never see anything. I mean, I can't ever remember seeing anything that none of them third world, and not even Yemen. We are going with itself right here now. I see them thing they are going. See police, a march, a strike. Protest them where them forget and things like that. I mean, you can't have national professional civil servant, members of the civil service, them they work and get paid and expect them to work same way while you are sure how much millions you get a year for your wage. We just a reason to this still, cause we just a reason Rasta. See, it's like we leader less. We leader them just precarious and dark here. See, Smart Golden step up. Him and a crew of people step up and black the ZOZO order. See, regardless of how broke I want to go on and we don't agree with him in enough cases, sometimes some things reach a point where there's only one thing left to do. See, might be a guy not do it right and not do it good, but more than Mark Golden win and come in politics now, what is his plan for the security of the nation and thing like that? Alright, share your plan with me. Keep it to yourself. Do you think it is right to sit on that plan and sacrifice every other victim of crime right up until the point where you come to power and can apply these principles? So that's hopefully, and you see some, I mean, it's like people use the life of poor people as, like for them claim to fame. See it, as some see them think they are God. Yeah, use people's life as claim to fame, satisfy your own ego for proof so you didn't know more. And now at the time for all, I don't want to sit down together at the table. And you can't just vote down a man attempt and you not have none for like a better one for present. What the plan, Mark Golden? What the intention towards the security thing we are going on in Jamaica? You can't just step to broad things so have something for replace it. See, regardless of how unworkable broad thing is, by we're certain it save a life or two. When it slow down the operation them where the youth them are going with. I tell you that from experience. Soldier dangerous something. Soldier with that down the road there, so you will see him down the road and know say down there, so him there. You see it. And the watch when you watch the soldier out. The soldier watch you watch him. And him know say mark him spot. So what very next thing the soldier a shift. If the man sharp him come spy, you come stand up and watch him. And me said the next time you come there, you have to look face to face that one there. You have to just stand there and walk away and call like so well. Nothing where we don't know what, we don't know who you, soldier the boy, type of thing. Yeah. Straight up. See, so you know play with soldier are you them where imaginative with them work and thing like that. See. So when they drop the soldier them out there Rasta, them do prevent a little. See it. And I now say the ZOZO is the ultimate plan, but at least it is a plan. As something where I go on law-abiding citizens, I doubt if law-abiding citizens would have mind it much, would have matter it much. See it. ZOZO can always say what the difference with the ZOZO and the community runnings and every day in and out and things like that, is that if you have the people under curfew, see it. You know, it oppressive, no doubt. But again, oh, we are go by say the soldier them are oppressive when them only sit down there and look with the same gun them where when I see the gunman them a walk up and down passing with every day, you can't chat, you can't do nothing, you tell me say you safer with round the gunman them than round the police. Me no hear nobody really and truly, me no hear much poor people complain about ZOZO, you know. The only thing them complain about is the soldier them sit down and not do nothing. Me never really hear much poor people get to people complain about the presence and the soldier them. You know, see, because them know me furthermore far from it. Me usually hear get to people ask the soldier them come sit down, chill out, come hang out. You know, see, I just politicians and them look affiliates them. Where them want stroke them little friend them ego and thing like that. Them complain, them go reflect complain. And never usually the people them a complain, a gunman complain when soldier them out. You know see it? So we don't know how politician I take up that pan them head and I go like say soldier oppress him voters them. Eh? The voters them glad said the soldier them voters them sorry said the soldier them no more and a more soldier than that Rasta. To be fair, you know see it. So I don't know where you come from with this attitude and argument you know about it is not right if you have ZOZO up on the scene and who you are talk to, Mark Golding, or who you are represent. This does sound like you are represent poor people or have poor people interest at art. It sound like you just a sound bite for political clout and things like that. You see it as an opportunity for politicize the whole argument and turn it in to try turn it to your benefit. You see? And I think it's very careless regarding the plight and the health and the benefit of poor people. ZOZO is alright. It just needs some more tricks and tactics to be applied to it. You can't just carry soldier go dash them down stuff and them just sit down there. You know see it? That's how me think. It don't work. So soldier if you have tactics where the search where the man them they don't want to send go America go train for the past 3-4 years. I send come to Britain for the past 3-4 years. You know see, you only need 5 man alone in a Jamaica to find a whole heap of gun. 5 man will get some proper training. And when the ZOZO drop in at the area, you drop them 5 man they in the pan the ZOZO on top of that with them equipment and them search them infrared drone and them little thing there. And search and observe what go on in the earth and find something, make some people put back some principle in the thing, put back some discipline in the thing. Because if there was any boundaries, you know, if there was any consequence whatsoever for the gunman them as that much, then would have take more protection and themselves and be more aware of the functions of the police in terms of them abilities and them skills. But the police them not really get. Police and soldiers not really get fair. I don't know why. You see it, me not really hear or see. Not great effective operation from any you know, like me know them can. You know see, that I like gunman sitting in him community every day with him gun, with him rifle them in him and him just barricade and prevent anything our police from coming. It not reach to that stage there yet. They come like a that the government sit down on them and I wait for. You know see? Because at the end of the day, right now police and ZOZO can drive in our community and call on it off and challenge and till them leave. Them just leave. Wanna go there far? Wanna go call on it off far? What? Wanna just go look, girl? You know see, no I say this, you know, with bated breath. Come in one I them feel like say, me have bun police and soldier and them operation and them workings. Well, I wanna try say, come on man, Mr. Jabby JDF soldier, upsail down building back way Rasta, them run down the building, straight them turn up and I run down the side of the building. You know see it? Not tell me that man, other men when Navy SEAL and them sort of SAS guy there, I do it front way and I come down, so zoop like bait. Jamaica and I hold it in front of them and I run down and I look down the building and I look all about where them I run, go same way down the side of the building. I say, wait, I can't even study that word there. The man now move like man, a robot them, yeah, a cyborg. You see, me see Jamaica soldier. I experience Jamaica soldier in a practice already, Rasta. You see, government tie up to this thing and a whole heap of bureaucracy and make the man them look low. Look like say them not present, like them not functionable. You see, either thing that cause me know the training not change. And every gunman, poor people and everybody have a serious and different respect for the JDF soldier them. If you take up the whole JDF right here and put it in a rack fort under certain search and seizure process, within space of 2 days, man, you see, the result would be remarkable. You see, what do you think you see? But the effort, you see, the effort, the energy. It's like the politicians themselves do them thing with, you know, to protect the same culprit them Rasta when them a complain about. And I go like we are idiot. You know see, them thing that we are aware of, them thing that we observe because we, like we said, you know, more can be done, more can be done. Strategize and put more. I don't know. And I give thanks still, you know. Share, like, subscribe. Rastafari, give thanks.